pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, soldier to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire. On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, soldier to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire, 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 starfire. It's starfire, starfire, it's searching for my paradise, feeling good, living right, that be hella nice. Roll the dice, I ain't living for no 9 to 5. I'm just trying to find my way up, trying to get my cake up, hoping I might wake up in paradise. Feeling good, living right, that be hella nice. Roll the dice, I ain't living for no 9 to 5. I'm just trying to find my way up, trying to get my cake up, hoping I might wake up in paradise. So go and roll the dice, every day's a new day, but shit gets make you feel insane. Like I don't wanna play this game. Send me on my way, wipe the tears up off your face. I won't let you be a slave to this life that we live every day. Feeling right, we gon' be okay. Take another hit of this and fly away. Hoping I might wake up, maybe we gon' wake up in paradise. Feeling good, living right, that'd be hella nice. Roll the dice, I ain't living for no 9 to 5. I'm just tryna find my way up, tryna get my cake up. Hoping I might wake up in paradise. Feeling good, living right, that'd be hella nice. Roll the dice, I ain't living for no 9 to 5. I'm just tryna find my way up, tryna get my cake up. Hoping I might wake up in paradise. Hoping I might wake up, hoping I might wake up, hoping I might wake up.
Saw a drunk pinstripe and a trouser suitcase in a private show for the waiters on break and the tourists. In the healthy glow of a wedding shop, a row of mannequins lined up like an audience. A sound check in a black box of a venue. Bet it remembers every flight, bet it remembers every fight between mid-level bands over apathetic hands that might have met once or twice, that might have met once or twice. You say yours won't be a life spent waiting for the odd line, spent trying to be two things at the same time. You will attack every night like you're still holding your father's knife. And love and hate like the tattooed fist came at you swinging. Jabbed at your ribs and your chin till your lips were fat and your head was ringing. And they waited for you to fall, and they waited for you to fall, but your glass jaw isn't glass anymore. And it was never ironic, it was never smug, dancing round your handbag in a high street pub and punching the air when they put Springsteen on, and by the time the lights came on, we were long gone. And love and hate like the tattooed fist came at you swinging. Jabbed at your ribs and your chin till your lips were fat and your head was ringing. And they waited for you to fall, and they waited for you to fall, but your glass jaw isn't glass anymore. Your glass jaw isn't glass anymore. And the best that you can say, we woke up from each other, opened our eyes, could barely see each other. Two chalk outlines that people might have guessed had once been lovers, but no more. And love and hate like the tattoo